go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Alright, let's get our meter set up for measuring resistance. First we'll identify our ohm symbol here. We'll turn the dial to that. Next we're going to take our black COM lead. We're going to stick that in the COM port. And our red lead will go here where our ohm symbol is here on the meter. Rule number one when measuring resistance with your multimeter is always make sure there's no power on whatever you're measuring, or you might just let the magic smoke out of your meter. Here's an example of testing a coil on a relay. Going across the A1, A2 terminals, we show about 86 ohms. Now if you were reading like 1 ohm, you would have a shorted coil. If you were reading very high or OL, then you would have an open coil, which would be able to identify as a bad relay. Another feature on this meter is going to be the continuity setting. To enable that, you're going to push this yellow for this meter, this yellow button, and it's going to enable the continuity test. And when you touch these leads together, you get a beep. Let's show you how to test a fuse if you're working on your car. Now these fuses have a visual indicator a lot of times you can see, but not all fuses are that way. But on this one, just touch across each blade, and you can see that this fuse does not have continuity. If we go to a good fuse, you're going to show that continuity, and that fuse is good. This comes in real handy for testing all types of fuses. Let's show you how to test a switch. This is just a little simple toggle switch here, on off, but you can test contacts in a switch, whether it be a light switch in your home that you have out, that you're having issues with. This here has no continuity. In the off position, I flip that on, and you're going to have continuity. Let's show you how to ring out a trailer wire plug if you're trying to determine which wires go where. Touch on one of the blades here. You can go through each of these wires, and of course the last one. How it always goes, it seems. The last thing you check.